Hi there, this is Rich, WB5YBZ, and today I'm going to talk about my DX Summit. DX Summit. A lot of people look for DX and just see how the band's doing. I looked at it a few times and I've thought, well, this is not really telling me what's going on here. And then a friend of mine, N5OHL, Jim, told me a little bit about you might put this into the search bar and it might help you out. So let's go on over to the computer. I feel like a dummy. I think I'm the last one, the last ham that knew about all this, but I really didn't look at it that much, or that they do have tutorials on it. So let's go on over to the computer. You can give me a thumbs up and or subscribe. It helps me out a whole bunch. Thank you. You notice a lot of these stations, we're at DX Summit, a lot of these spotters right here are foreign spotters. And I'm thinking, well, I don't know about this. I don't know if I could copy. I could turn and see if I could hit the frequency and see if I could hear him, but most likely, especially on this, at this time of day, I'm not going to hear him. So what do? You hit this where it says DX, and then you say this is. So the spotter is this is. So I guess you could probably separate by commas, but I'm going to do it each individual one. So I'm going to put K. See, it says United States there. And I'm going to hit N, North America. And I'm going to put W. Now these are all the ones that are spotting. Here's some K's, N's, and probably a W in here. So all these are the United States saying, here's the DX I'm hearing over here. This is a frequency, and this is the time. Notice it gives you time for the UTC time here. So I'm just sort of curious. I want to see, what about CW? And I want to go 17 meters. I wonder what the DX is there. So I'm going to hit the filter. I'm going to hit CW, and I'm going to put 17 meters, which is 18 megahertz. And when I hit set the filters, then it comes up with all these. Alaska and blah, blah, blah. But you say, oh, wow, I need to look at these. But then you look, well, the latest one that someone put in here was 1931, time UTC. Look at the time. It's 20. That was over an hour ago that someone listed something on 17 meters. Most likely, this whole list of people, they've gone to bed or something. They're somewhere else, out playing golf or something. I don't know. But most likely, these people are no longer there. Always look at the time when you look at these. Now, you can always just delete this little X here. And then you put, let's go 20 meters. It's probably a little bit more busy. There's 20 meters. And then you can look and just see what's going on 20. Here's the latest one, 2035. The guy worked, I guess, probably a 6 station in the United States or Canadian. And it really doesn't show too much stuff. Now, here's Italy, but that was over an hour ago. And but it shows you the countries and all this. Another thing is, I want to get out all these. And I'm wondering about that DX station. I wonder if it's VJ. Let's just look and see. So I'm going to turn this off right here. I'm just going to say VJ2L. Let's see if we can find where they might be located. So I hit enter, and all of a sudden, it's Lord Howe Island. And look at the time. Well, needless to say, it was a long time ago, 2041 here, and it's 8:30 here, June the 15th. So over Dago, here's the 14th, and so not very active. And this doesn't, I'm not sure what the frequency, looks like 20 meters, but where on 20 meters? So that's not good. Let's see what else we can find. So I'm going to exit out that. And I'm just going to put W1AW. See if they are on. And here are some of the W1AWs. Again, look at the time. This is 45 minutes, or almost a half hour ago. So most likely these people are not on anymore, but it tells you what frequency it is and the time. Always look at the time. These are just some of the things that I thought was interesting that a person can do. And if you wanted to hit exclude, let's say, let's find some place, let's say Italy. So I'm just going to hit exclude I. Notice there's two Italys here, right here. So I'm going to put exclude I just for the fun of it. And now the Italy stations are gone. You don't want to, if you didn't want to listen to Italy or look for Italy, let's say you had a whole bunch of Italy contacts and you just really didn't want to. And let's say you didn't want to hear, I'm trying to find a one. Let's say Cyprus. Let's say 5B4. So I'm going to set this particular call sign, 5B4. Now, you don't see it here listed, so you can exclude a lot of countries or just a call sign if you want to. But that's all I have. I just want to show you something that you might not know of. But again, they have tutorials here. And different things, how to add new spots, various other things. Also, daily DX, which is sort of handy. It tells where some of the new DX and some of the dates that they will be DXing. And that's sort of handy as well if you want to know, if you're looking for DX. Other than that, I'd let you, explore. I'll let you explore around and enjoy it. I think it's a good thing to have, especially if you're chasing DX or just to see how good the band is. So with that, give me a thumbs up if you would, or subscribe to my channel. It helps me out a lot. So thanks so much for watching.